Helmet, lower, and flash on the left side. So here's my new light that came with my my new front headlight. When I take this to the river, I'll be able to ride all the way to Irvine or Tustin and pass by the gas stations and smile. About 4.5 inches. 2 and 5/8. 2 and everything was labeled when I took it apart, so it should be no problem bringing it together again. I have this really straight brake, or maybe straight brake. These are the sander. Those help a lot. Vice grips, little vice grips. This helps a lot as well. This is good. That's a MIG welder. Self-create jewelry welder. Yep, that's right. I'm surrounded by tools. Love it. There they are, safely tucked away into their little box. The only difference is that I had to cut this hole. Alright, this is the first ride to the beach. I mean, I don't want to bring this bike too much to the beach, but it's the only place here with a bike trail. So I brought it to the beach. Salt water does things to electricals, so I'm not going to be staying here too long. Anyway, that's the first ride. Looking good. Everything's nice and tidy, except for that rope in the middle there, tie in the middle. Still have to finish the bolts.